In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide your real name on your PayPal account. By the end, you'll know how to adjust a couple of privacy settings so your name doesn't show up in PayPal search, and you'll also hear a helpful tip if you want your name hidden during payments. Start by opening the PayPal app on your phone and signing in. Once you're on the home screen, look to the top left and tap the profile icon. That opens your account area where you can manage settings. Scroll down until you see the Data and Privacy tab near the bottom and tap it. This is where PayPal groups the controls that affect how others can discover your profile. At the top of the Data and Privacy page, select Search Privacy. This section determines whether your profile appears when someone tries to look you up in PayPal. If you want to be fully hidden from search, toggle the main option at the top. Turning this on disables all the individual discovery settings underneath, so your profile won't be searchable at all. If you prefer a lighter touch and only want to hide your real name, leave that top switch off and look for the specific setting that controls whether your name is shown in search results. Turn that option off. With your name hidden, people won't be able to locate your profile. By searching for it, you can keep any other discovery settings you're comfortable with as they are. Give the app a second to save your changes, and then you can back out to the main screen. Now, a quick note for those who want to be completely anonymous when sending or receiving money. If your goal is to avoid showing your personal name during transactions, consider switching to or opening a PayPal business account. With a business account, the display name others see is your business's name rather than your personal name. That way, when you pay or get paid, what shows up on the other side is your business identity. Be sure that any business details you use are accurate and comply with PayPal's policies. If you don't see the exact options I mentioned, make sure your app is up to date, and note that labels can vary slightly by region. The overall flow is the same. Go to your profile, open Data and Privacy, then adjust your search privacy settings to hide your name or disable search entirely. That's all you need to do. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more PayPal tips and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.